What's up guys, this is Hippie Buddha. Finally, I'm coming to LA on date 7 September. Now, you guys can make appointment. I will get your hair done, best hairstyle. If you want make appointment, please let me know, okay? As soon as possible. I can't wait. Thank you. See you soon, brother. Finally, I'm coming to LA date 7 September. Now, you guys can make appointment. Hi, you guys. I'm Hippie Buddha. You guys can make appointment. Appointment now. Hurry up. See you soon. I'm coming. Yeah. What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? Finally, I'm coming to LA on date 7 September. You guys can make appointment now. You guys can make appointment now. 이거 자르. What's up, guys? This is Hippie Buddha. 이거 얼굴 작아졌어, 막. What's up, guys? This is Hippie Buddha. Finally, I'm coming to LA on date 7 September. You guys can make appointment now. See you soon, guys. I can't wait. Yeah. What's up, guys? This is Hippie Buddha. Finally, I'm coming to LA date 7 September. You guys can make appointment now, right? I can't wait. See you soon, brother. 씨가 뭐라 그랬죠? Hi, this is Hippie Buddha. Hi, this is Hippie Buddha. Finally, I'm coming to LA on date 7 September. You guys can make appointment now. Please send a message as soon as possible. See you soon, guys. I can't wait. Thank you.